Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Although confident of kicking off the final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers with victory, Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren says that they will not be underestimating Bermuda when the teams do battle today. Jamaica will play away to Bermuda in their opening Group B match starting at 5 p.m. Jamaica time at the Bermuda National Stadium. The Reggae Boyz have never lost to Bermuda, boasting a record of 4 wins and 3 draws. McLaren says despite those results, the Bermudans are not to be taken lightly.
I think before we think of anything about tactics, about how we're going to score, strengths, weaknesses, how we're going to defend, we have to respect Bermuda. Why? Because of the spirit that they've got within the camp, within the group. You can see that when they play. You can see that when they score. You can see that when they celebrate together.
And with several key players out due to injuries, McLaren knows it will be a challenge.
Yeah, it's been a tough window. 2-3 weeks ago, we looked as if we had some of the players that we've not got now. So, likes of Andre Blake and Bakisa, Pinnock, Bell. It's nearly a back four that we've got missing. Midfield, Bobby Reid, Damari Gray, Leon Bailey. So we're missing some very important players for us.
But he says he's pleased with the players who are less experienced.
They've been great, to be fair. Their attitudes, they're young, they're enthusiastic. They listen, they want to learn. And the training's been very good. We hope we have another good session today. And preparation is key in terms of winning football matches. So we hope, so far so good. We hope today to finish things and make sure that we're ready for 7 o'clock tomorrow.
National champion Samantha Hall is expressing confidence of creating history in the women's discus event at the upcoming World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Hall threw a personal best of 64.97 meters in July, a distance which ranks her 18th in the world based on performances.
My expectation is to make the finals because that's pretty much my goal, and hopefully be in the top 3, getting a medal for Jamaica.
Hall's personal best throw ensured automatic qualification to Tokyo, which she says was a welcome boost for her mental state heading into the championships.
I have already qualified last month, so that is no issue for me. I'm just kind of glad, because that is like a stressful thing for most athletes.
Hall's last throw before the Tokyo showpiece came at the NACAC Senior Championships in the Bahamas, where she took gold with a throw of 61.19 meters. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.